Do you own an unwanted house and need to sell quickly? Has your listing expired? Bad tenants? Is your house vacant? Liens? Need repairs? Divorce, in foreclosure, estate sale, behind on payments, 100% financed, job transfer or location, making 2 house payments? These are common problems that can happen to anyone. What can you do? Wait for a real estate agent to sell your home? And if you don't have much equity in your house, your options are even more limited. You may have come close to closing with a big check. That's even worse than losing equity. Here's a better solution. Sell your property for full market value and avoid paying fees and commissions. Full Price Offer Ninja buys houses from people in situations just like yours, in any condition or price range. We specialize in finding creative solutions to real estate problems that others won't touch. We can do what others can't. Offer you your full asking price and close immediately. We'll handle all the paperwork, make all the arrangements, and close within a few days if necessary. You'll get a quick sale with no hassles, so you can put your worries behind you. Contact us for a free, confidential, no-obligation consultation to learn how Full Price Offer Ninja can offer you your full market price.